The fact that the leadership team of this organization put their faith in us to go take these classes, better ourselves. It's nice to be trusted by your leadership team, but then upon reflection on my own journey, I mean, the knowledge that I gained is invaluable. I'll be able to use it for the rest of my career. My name is Zach Fairburn. I am the Materials and Logistics Manager for Scratch and Peck Feeds in Burlington, Washington. Our company produces certified organic, verified, non-GMO animal feed. I'm a self-motivated person, so I wanted to further myself as a manager, make myself a better leader, a better communicator, and a better mentor for those who are coming up behind me. I feel I've always kind of been a people person, but now I kind of understand what it takes to be a leader. We try and form a kind of family situation here at Scratch and Peck. Culture is very important to us, and it just gave me the tools I needed to kind of further my journey as a leader. It made me curious for the lean manufacturing side, just to learn more, made me hungry to kind of learn more. But I'm also hoping to get some of my folks who are up and coming involved in the program as well, so that we can all get better. The goal is to get better, be more efficient, be better people, as well as making a profit. So anything we can do to further that journey seems like a wise investment. The journey, right? Like it's not a destination, it's a journey. So just going through the process and the learning, and then completing it and getting the card, just to be able to say, good for us, we did it, you know what I mean? That'll be one of my favorite things that I can say to my classmates. I'm hoping I can pick them out of the crowd, you know, and be able to look them in the eyes and we did it, you know, together. We started this journey. It was an 18-month journey, 4 hours a week for a very long time through summers, but we did it. And it's a huge accomplishment, so super proud. We're doing this to help our families, to help our children, to help make our parents proud, to make our bosses proud. Whatever your motivation is, stick with the journey. Don't be afraid to ask the questions. Enjoy it, try and slow down and enjoy the journey as you're taking it, because it goes by in a flash, and next thing you know, you're doing an interview for a commencement speech. So enjoy the journey, learn lots. There's information out there if you are willing to pursue it. It is funny because the apprenticeship program is definitely kind of geared towards aerospace, right? So we're the chicken feed people that entered into the mix. How it translates from manufacturing facility to manufacturing facility doesn't really change whether it's aerospace or animal feed. There's principles that you learn that can be applied across the spectrum. So no matter what you do, you learn something. And yeah, I am grateful to all of my teachers and the program in general for just giving me the opportunity to grow as a human being and as a leader, and looking forward to seeing where it takes me next.